Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on repeat.gg. Right, so as you can see here we are into this website. Now first of all you have to select the device. I have already selected my desktop here, and make sure you are logged in into repeat.gg. And here you will see a lot of games. For example, this is Dota 2, League of Legends, PUBG, Rocket League and all other games. But here we can't see Brawl Stars. So how to add that game? First of all, look for it. If it is available here, then it's nice. If it's not available, then just go and click on add game. Now here you will get an option of a lot of games here. For example, there's a no option to add a Brawl Stars, right? So that's a bad thing. Now here, if I just go and again click on my game account, as you can see here, there's a no option to add a game. Same way, if I just go to marketplace here, and let's say I will just look for Brawl Stars here. As you can see here, this game is not available on repeat.gg, and you won't be able to play that game here. Unfortunately, there's a no option available here. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.